In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Enjin future while talking about Enjin cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Enjin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Enjin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Enjin is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Enjin succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Enjin value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Enjin and its to-date history. Enjin introduction. Established in 2009 and situated in Singapore, Enjin is a data innovation organization with different items. Enjin Network, Enjin Wallet, Enjinx, Affinity and Enjin Coin, Enj. Enjin Coin is a token on the Ethereum blockchain. Consider it a computerized coin that you can use across a wide range of sites and web-based games. It might be changed over into different sorts of advanced property like game things or in-game gold. Enjin Coin stage is made for the game business. SDKs for numerous dialects, wallets and installment stages will be accessible and totally open source. Internet gamers can bring or exchange their resources from one game to another, local area to local area, developing their advanced wallet with genuine worth as they play. Enjin price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each venture. Enjin Coin Price Prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Crypto Vault forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, August plus 1.76% $0.5501. 2022, September 5.29% $0.5120. 2022, October plus 4.45% $0.5646. 2022, November plus 11.24% $0.6013. 2022, December plus 12.35% $0.6073. 2023, Jan plus 25.83% $0.6801. 2023, February plus 23.05% $0.6651. 2023 Mar plus 33.95% $0.7241. 2023 April plus 32.55% $0.7164. 2023 May plus 44.54% $0.7813. 2023 June plus 51.99% $0.8216. 2023 July plus 51.50% $0.8189. Enjin Price Prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees Enj coming to $1.93 in 2025. What will Enj be worth in 5 years? The cost of Enj in 5 years could lie around $1.25, as per Crypto Vault expectation model. Enjin coin price prediction 2030-2040. What Enjin coin will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Enjin coin coming to $4.82 in 2030. What Enjin coin will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Enjin coin coming to $9.65 in 2040. Will Enjin coin outperform overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Enjin coin won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Enjin coin at any point reach $10? Indeed, Enjin coin could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is Enjin coin worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently unsafe money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Enjin coin merits purchasing. Is Enjin coin a wise venture? Enjin coin is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Enjin coin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0.4767. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $4.82 or significantly higher. For what reason will Enjin coin succeed and become more expensive? Enjin coin has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Enjin coin ascending to $4.82 in 2030. For what reason will Enjin coin fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the undertaking, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned promoting procedure, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Could Enjin coin at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable that Enjin coin can reach $100 yet just in the far-off future, after 2030.